Welcome back, everybody. We've just built a vapor barrier dispensing table. Make it easier to cut all these triangles. We're using this nice foil for our vapor barrier, because the vapor barrier is especially important in this building because it doesn't let vapor out because of the roof membrane. And foil is a better vapor barrier than plastic, and it's also a radiant barrier. So in the winter, it will help by reflecting the interior heat back in, and in the hot weather, it reflects the heat out. Now with plywood top. So anyway, the kitchen. Now, this box is no longer going to supply that box because we want a dedicated line to the refrigerator, especially since this one over here is also running the garbage disposal. So, in order to fish new power to that box, we need to get this box out of here. Refrigerate. Need more triangles, Ed.
Okay, coming out.
You gonna help me fish a wire?
Yeah, okay. As soon as I get done with that foil, I'll be right there.
New range hood wire. All right, give me a little more. Okay then, and there's all the wire. So if you'd like to donate to the project, you can do so at fullerdomehome.com. That's fullerdomehome.com. I don't think this is going to make it to the garbage disposal. Well, you want to go cut a big hole in the sidewalk? We've got a saw. It's something to do.
Okay. Electric hose?
See if this electric hose works.
Looks awful close.
Is that water over there?
It certainly is. Have we got a straight line-ish thing, or?
And if you haven't been following the project, we're removing this section of sidewalk to run refrigerant lines for our heat pump and electricity for these lights and that receptacle down there. And just look at this piece of the sidewalk. It's all broken up anyway. There, now that ought to come apart right nicely next week. Alright, so our kitchen's in pretty good shape. We just need a wire to the garbage disposal, and then of course the lights that need to be dealt with when we take the ceiling down for structural improvements. And Ed's got his foil triangle vapor barrier assembly line underway here. Making things that go like this. And we staple it up there. But then, of course, a vapor barrier is not a vapor barrier if it has holes in it. So we have this fancy tape. This is tape for the zip system, which is an exterior sheathing and roof decking system that eliminates the need for house wrap. But it's a very good tape for a lot of things. And we're going to use it not only to seal over the staples and tie the triangles together because it's very, very sticky, but because it will then seal around the nails that go through the interior skin, the plywood triangles. Once again, a vapor barrier is not a vapor barrier if you're going to then put a bunch of holes in it. So if we have this tape everywhere where we're nailing through, that will seal that up. And he's got a fair pile of them made here. Now we just need 1,000 more. So, thanks for joining us again. If you'd like to contribute to the project, you can make a donation at fullerdomehome.com, which will be listed in the video description. And if you'd like to follow our project, you can subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to be notified when new videos go up. Thanks for watching. See you next week.